Have you ever been in the middle of recording a great shot and then all of a sudden this happens? Nothing. When you're recording video, there are very few things that can go wrong that are worse than your battery dying. Replacing batteries can be really cumbersome and it just really messes with your flow. You've already started recording, you've already started talking, and then the camera dies and you forget where you were at, so you might as well just start all over again. Wouldn't it be much nicer if you could have seemingly unlimited battery life? Well, with this thing called a DC coupler and a portable charger or power bank, you now can. The portable power bank I use has 20,000 milliamps. I find with a 20,000 milliamp portable battery pack hooked up, I can get about 30 hours of video recording when it's set up this way through that DC coupler. All right, now onto the hack itself. The DC coupler is a battery-sized, weightless in comparison battery dummy. See it here compared to an actual battery. The only difference is that there is a little plug here where you plug the power into from your portable power source. Once installed into the camera, you close the battery cover and there's this little hole where you can plug the power into, and the other end goes into your portable charger. One thing I noticed is you really want to make sure that this piece clicks in or it will fall out. So don't be gentle, push hard to make sure it goes all the way in. That's what she said. I'll have a link in the description to where you can buy this DC coupler and the power bank so that you can have this set up. Guys, if you found this video informative, please consider giving it a like. If you like these kinds of short, to the point, bite-sized videos on things I buy, then please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.